Hi, this is Professor V.K. Patil. I welcome you to my video classes on basic electronics. In my last class, we have discussed how to implement the given Boolean function by using universal gates, that is by using NAND and NOR. Today we will see the simple digital circuit called as adder. What this adder it does? Basically, adder it performs the addition, right? In adder we have two types. First one is half adder and second one is full adder. Let us first discuss half adder. What is this half adder circuit? Half adder, it is the circuit, digital circuit, which has two inputs, let us say A and B, and two outputs, let us say sum and carry. And this is nothing but the half adder. In this half adder, we are not considering the any carry which is generated previously. If we wish to add the number 0 1 with 1 1, okay, then 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. Okay, now when I am performing this addition where 0 is added with 1 and then the result is added with the carry, in this half adder this carry we are not considering, we are discarding. Hence the name is given as half adder. Understood? So this half adder, it has two outputs. Let us say sum is variable S, carry is C. Now to implement this half adder by using the gates, first of all I need to write the truth table. What do you mean by the truth table? So input combinations and corresponding outputs. As it has two outputs, I need to write two columns for output also. One column is for sum, another column is for carry. Input combinations are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. These are the different input combinations, that is, these are the different values the variable A and B it can take. Now when A and B both are 0, sum can be written as, how do I can write the sum? Which is addition of A and B. 0 plus 0 I will get a 0. Whether carry is generated? No. So therefore carry is also 0. For this case, that is when A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. When A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, I will get a sum 1. Again carry is 0. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, again 1 plus 0 is 1, carry is not generated, hence carry is equal to 0. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, you will get a result 0 with the carry 1. Right. This is nothing but the truth table for half adder. As I have discussed earlier, to implement any digital circuit, I need the Boolean expression. Now we have truth table. Truth table, Boolean expression, digital circuit, all they represent the same thing. Right. Now I need to first write the Boolean expression from this truth table. How to write it? Let us first write the expression for sum. To write the expression for sum, you need to consider the column of sum and identify where there are the outputs with value 1. So we have the two outputs with value 1. For this value 1, what is the input combination? Input combination is 0 and 1. Means what? A, it has a 0 value and B, it has 1 value. So this combination, it can be written as A bar dot B, because A, it is complemented, that is 0, and B is 1. When B is 1, I need to write it as it is. As A is 0, I need to consider it as A complement. This we have considered. Second output value where it is the 1. So for that input combination is 1 0. And how do I can write this 1 0? I need to add with this value. A is 1 and B is 0. This is nothing but the expression for the sum. Understood how to write a Boolean expression for truth table. Consider the column of sum, find out where the values are 1, write input combination like this. And we know that A bar B plus A B bar, it is nothing but A XOR B. So expression for sum is A XOR B. Similarly, find out the expression for C. Carry, I can write it as, again consider this column, identify where the output is 1. Output is 1 when both these inputs are 1, 1. Hence I can write the expression for carry is A dot B. Now we have identified the expression for C, expression for sum as well as expression for carry. Now as I know these expressions, I can represent it by using the gates. Let us see this representation. First we will represent the sum. We have two inputs A and B. Now it's XOR operation. A and B. So here we will get a sum. And what is carry? Carry is nothing but A dot B. I need to use the AND gate. And this is nothing but the logical diagram for the half adder. Right? This is all about the half adder. Observe that half adder, it has only two inputs. It has two outputs, sum and carry. Depending upon the inputs, we need to write the truth table. From truth table, find out the expression for sum and carry, that is expression for the output variables. Once we get the expression for output variables, we can easily implement by using the gates what we have studied. This is all about the half adder. In my next class, we will see the another circuit, that is full adder. Till then, thank you.